Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set custom trading alert on trading view. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on trading view and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and when you just right click on this chart you'll be able to see the add alert on BTC USDT option. You need to click on that option and another section pops out, right, where you can customize your trading alert over here. So once you complete your customization, you simply need to click on create, which is at bottom right corner of this section, and you will be able to set custom trading alert successfully. So basically this is how you can set custom trading alert on trading view, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.